Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks to look more attractive every day. Now, but before getting started, I want to tell you that no matter how and whatever you wear, if you have that confidence inside you, you are always going to look beautiful and attractive in every dress. However, if you follow these tricks that I'm going to show you in this video right now, along with your confidence, you are going to look bomb. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the ways that you've been wearing your dresses wrong. Not wrong exactly, but there are other more proper stylish ways, and that is definitely going to make you more attractive than usual. So now without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so now the first tip that I have for you is actually very easy. Actually, all the tips that I have for you are easy and they make a little difference, but that little difference is going to make a huge outcome. So the first tip that I have for you is wearing a saree. Normally, you would just drape this part and then tuck in, or you may just do this. But what I would do is, I'm going to bring this part till here, pin it, then drape and tuck. This I think is the right way to look more attractive than the previous ones. The second tip that I have for you is wearing a loose top or a loose t-shirt. Normally you would definitely wear like this, even I wear like this, but there are other ways to look more attractive than this, and you probably know the ways. It's very easy. What I usually do with loose top is, I just tuck it in on one side and that's it. You can also go with a front tuck, or you can just tie a knot on the side and show some skin. They are all attractive. The next tip is wearing a shirt. Usually you would just leave it on like this, which is so comfortable, I know, and sometimes that's the kind of look you want to go for. All you need is a belt right here, and then pull out the shirt. And you're gonna lift this part like this. That's it. There are also other ways that you can wear your shirt, like this, and like this. But this look is unusual, cool and attractive. And the credit goes to my favorite supermodel, Candice Swanford. I hate to style her. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the ways and tricks that I showed you in this video. And if you have been wearing your dresses wrong or probably missing the right style, then go for it. Style in an unusual, attractive way to look attractive. But just like I said in the first place, no matter whatever you wear, confidence is what matters at the end of the day. Confidence is never out of style and it is attractive. So always wear it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.